If you have not learned, then you will learn it gradually. Okay. How many of you remember the tune of the anthem? Most of you? Yes. 1, 2, 3, start. हे मानव रुके ना कदम बाधाओं से, डरे न मन समस्याओं से। हे मानव रुके ना कदम बाधाओं से, डरे न मन समस्याओं से। हे मानव, I can hear only my voice. Can you sing a little louder so that I also know whether you have learnt it correctly or not? Once again, loud, the loudest that you can.